Going to see how to configure the telnet access in the Cisco router using the command line interface. So in this setup, I assigned the IP address 10.1.1.1 in the Cisco router's LAN interface, and these are all the devices which is in the TEN network. So the command. First, we have to configure the telnet command in the global configuration mode. Line VTY. VTY is the virtual teletyping. So we have to specify how many simultaneous users can access this router using the CLI via the telnet 0 space 1. It means 2 users you can specify. If you specify 0 space 4, 5 number of users you can specify. That means 0 is 1 user, in between 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally 5 users you can specify. So in this scenario we can use 2 users only. So line VTY 0 space 1. So I am going to set the default password for the telnet access. Password Cisco, and I have to set the privilege for the telnet users. So I am giving the highest privilege level 15. So you can do configure anything with this privilege level. So then finally login command. So if I give only login, it will take the password which is configured under the line VTY command. So this is the password I am going to type for the telnet access. So the configuration in the router part is over. We can check in the system to check we can access the telnet or not. First we can check the connectivity by pinging 10.1.1 router's interface. So it is pinging. Now we can do take telnet 10.1.1.1. So it is asking for the password Cisco. So I entered into the router. So I can do configure anything like that. So I can get the access of the telnet. So we said that only for the 2 users, simultaneous users, we can access the telnet, right? So we can check that by telnet 10.1.1.1 password Cisco. So the second user, okay, the first 2 users were accessing the router using the telnet. The third one should not be allowed. So you can check telnet 10.1.1.1. So it is not allowed by the remote host. Okay, so it's working fine for the telnet 2 users. Okay, so irrespective of the password which we have sent in the global in the line VTY command, we can also use the default password, which is username with the username which we can create locally in the routers. So I am creating the username test1, and his privilege level is 15, and his password is admin at 456. So now I'm going to configure the telnet. So whose password username, while it asking for the password, it have to ask the username and the password. So it won't use the default, it should not use the default telnet password. So for that, what to configure? So line vty, so 0 space 1 is used, and I am going to use 2 space 3. Privilege 15. Sorry, privilege we don't need to give. So login. So login, I'm going to use the local. It means what? It will check the password in the locally of the router. That means the password, username and password what I have created users for the users, right? So login local. So you can check now. So username is user1, password is admin@456. Okay, what's the password you have given us for the user? Sorry, test1. Username is test1 and the password is admin@456. test1, password is admin@456. So we enter into the router successfully by using the username and password also. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.